Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you this fun DIY. Isn't this print just so beautiful and so gorgeous? I saw these kitchen napkins, and I saw somebody else do this project, and I thought I would try it and see how it works out. And it just turned out so good that I wanted to share with you guys how I did it. It's super easy, so if you're interested in seeing how I created these beautiful pillows, be sure to continue watching. So the first thing you want to do is buy some kitchen napkins. So a pack of 4 I bought by Joanna Gaines, of course, the Hearth and Hand collection. I always mispronounce this, but I just thought this print was so beautiful. I needed to replace my silky pillows that I had actually since we got married. And with kids, you know, it kind of got dirty really quickly, and it's really hard to wash velvet pillows. So I thought this would be a perfect way to create these throw pillows. Plus it matches our theme. It looks springy. There's pinks in there, beautiful oranges and yellows, and some teal to tie in with the kitchen. So this is a great way to accessorize without having to spend a lot of money. Plus you can use the stuffing from your old pillows, and you won't even have to buy the stuffing. Anyway, so what you need is scissors, some thread, and a needle, and of course some pins. So let's get started. The first thing that I did, of course, is basically took out all the napkins and used 2 of them and laid them on top of one another, making sure that both sides match the print. You know, they go kind of with a flow, and then just kind of lay them on top of each other. And as you can see, the outer rim is already sewn together. So what you do is basically follow the lines on both sides. If you have a sewing machine, this will take you 3 minutes, but I use the pins to pin the 2 napkins together. That way, as I am sewing, I don't get out of line. But all you have to do is use the thread and the needle and just go against the line back and forth. You know, this can be done so easy while you're sitting and watching a show. Even if you have kids, or they go to sleep in the evening, this can take you up to 10 or 20 minutes to do by yourself if you're doing it by hand. But what I did was sew 3 sides and then stuff the pillow and then sewed the last of the side. If you wanted to get fancy, you of course can put in a zipper. That way you can, take them off and wash them. But make sure you buy the thread to match the actual thread that's on the pillow. But this is a very easy way to revamp and, get yourself some new throw pillows without having to spend $15 to $20 a pop. So I hope you guys enjoy this project. Be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, create culture and be you. And I will see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.